Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Pops and Team channel. Honestly, in today's videos you're gonna enjoy these videos today. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, what you have to do is just to click on the subscribe icon below, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icons, like my videos and also share. If you have any question based on these videos, you can just ask me in the comment section below. I will answer you immediately, trust me. So in today's videos I'm gonna show you how you can create free store logo, how you can create a free store logo, simple logo design making use of what Photoshop software. Alright, so I'll be creating this free logo for you. Alright, so today I'll be making use of Photoshop software to do this. Right now I'm gonna move into my Photoshop software. Alright, so what you have to do is just to keep watching this video for you to understand what I'm trying to say. So now move into my Photoshop software. Alright, so this is my Photoshop software. So the next thing for you to click is just to click on this file on top and click on new. Alright, so after click that, so just write anything here. You can just write store logo. Alright, so keep your width at 280 and your height 100 and also resolution 400 and click on OK or press enter on your keyboard. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is just to click on this lock icon, just double click like this and also put your cursor here and delete the 0 and type 1 and click on OK and enter on your keyboard. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is just to drag the image you want to be made. I'll be making use of this icon. I'll be making use of this icon. Alright, so I will just drag it to my Photoshop like this. Alright, can you see? So I'll just shift it to the left side and I'll click on this mark icon or press enter on your keyboard. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is just to come down here and click on this rectangle tools. After the click on this rectangle tools, just draw the rectangle and make it tiny like this. Make it tiny and change the color. You have to change the color to this color. You can see the color the same with this. This is pretty more cool. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is just pick your text. Pick your text because the next thing for you to do is just to write a text. So you're gonna pick a text. Alright, so just write Brooks. Brooks like this. Alright, so you can just highlight like this and choose your font text here. So I'll be choosing this font text. This font text. I love this font text very more. So I'll make sure I make it balanced, so you haven't balanced. If you want to make it to balance, just come to move tools like this and click on move tools. As you can see, the transform control show up, so just make it balanced by yourself by expanding. Just make sure it's balanced. Alright, this is pretty more cool. Now it's balanced, just click on back icon like this. So you don't need to disturb yourself. What you have to do is just to come here and duplicate this. If you don't want to get started and create another one like this, just come here and duplicate something like this. So but before you do that, change the color of the text. So how are you going to change the color? Just click on this text like this. Alright, so now change the color right here. I want to change the color to the black color. Can you see? So I've changed the color to the black color. The next thing for you to do is just to come here and right click. You're gonna right click on the on this layer and click on duplicate layer. And click on OK or press enter on your keyboard. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is just to come back towards your move tools like this. Click your move tools and come to the text and click hold and drag. Click hold and drag. You can see we have duplicated the text. So just make this one to balance. Make it balance like this. Make it balance. Alright, so you can just, I want to change the text because I want to write beauty. So I'll just click on text like this and highlight. I will highlight the text and change the text to beauty. Alright, pretty more cool, man. So there is more space here. I'll click on my shape, I'll click on move tools, I will drag this shape down. Yeah, pretty more cool now. Alright, so next thing for you to do just what I want to change this white background. The white background, I want to change it. So how are you gonna change the white background? Just click on this layer like this and double click here. So come down to your color overlay. Alright, you can see the color overlay is what is red color, but I want to change the red color to something like this. Yeah, not white, not pink. Yeah, I love this. I love this. Pretty more cool, man. Alright, just click on OK and click on OK. Very simple. You can see this is very simple logo. You can make use of this logo for your store. Maybe you store based on beauty stuff. You understand me? So what's the next thing you're gonna do? Just come to your file like this and click on save as. What you can write anything. You can just write my store logo now, and click on this Photoshop and put it into what JPEG, JPEG, and click on save, and click on what OK. That is all about that. So we've done with this. We're done with this. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to Pops and Team channel. Alright, thank you for watching my video once again. I really love you all. So you can just turn on the notification icon and stay tuned. Keep watching my video. Thank you very much. Thank you.